Planetary repair cannot be outsourced. It requires authority, coordination, and permanence. Only sovereignty meets all three conditions. Corporations operate under profit mandates. NGOs operate under limited scope. Markets operate under incentive pressure. None of these entities can override extraction at scale. Sovereignty can. Sovereign power is the only structure that controls territory, regulates resources, mobilizes labor, coordinates long-term planning, enforces limits across generations. Planetary systems do not respond to persuasion. They respond to policy, boundaries, and enforcement. When rivers are polluted, markets adapt. When forests collapse, markets relocate. When climates destabilize, markets hedge. Sovereignty must intervene before adaptation becomes abandonment. Planetary cycle theory shows that civilizations survive only when sovereign authority evolves beyond warfare and taxation. The next evolutionary step of sovereignty is planetary stewardship. This is not authoritarianism, it is scale alignment. Just as cities required municipal governance and nations required national governance, a destabilized planet requires planetary governance. Without it, coordination fragments, one nation extracts. Another conserves, one delays. Another collapses. The planet does not negotiate. It responds to cumulative action. Sovereignty is the only mechanism capable of imposing extraction limits, redirecting industrial capacity, funding restoration at trillion scale, maintaining continuity beyond election cycles. This is why climate pledges fail. They are voluntary, they are reversible. They lack enforcement. Earth restoration cannot be optional. It must be constitutional. In the next episode, we examine why fragmented national action fails and why planetary coordination is unavoidable.